Hello friends, Maddie here, and today Bigant Studio have released another patch which is very awesome patch, and now we can download teams with real logos and real jerseys from community. So for downloading Indian team, go to search community and here press teams, gender male, username start with Anmol Joshi and team name start with India. And search it now. Let's see. So here 90 rating team, open it. Okay, again open it. And now go to uniforms. See here, now we have all latest Indian kits, T20 kits, tricolor, and also World Cup kits, ODI kits. So this is very awesome kits created by Anmol Joshi. Rate him 5 with 5 star. I have rated with 5 star. Very awesome work done by him. So now we can download latest jerseys of teams with this patch, and also some minor changes. For example, now we can see the background here, the stadium image or in the background. If we select another stadium, it will change according to that. For example, if we say Wankhede Stadium, it will change according to that. Or else, let me see. See, now it is Wankhede Stadium here in background. So this is very awesome update from Bigant. So that's it friend. Stay tuned to my channel for more gameplay videos like this, and also some modeling videos, 3D modeling videos, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.